Products are made with FDA-approved polypropylene. They're BPA-free, dishwasher-friendly, recyclable, but more importantly, they're reusable. We encourage all of our customers to wash and reuse our products to minimize waste.
Rim it up, you gotta rim it. You gotta rim it up, you gotta rim it. You gotta rim it up, you gotta rim it. You gotta dip it, stick it, rim it, tip it, twist it up.
My name is Rob Cox, founder and president of Rimit. Our patent and trademark pending products, both Rimit and the Rimit Kit, were invented to provide more convenience and a quicker solution for preparing fully rimmed cocktails anywhere, anytime, in just seconds. We officially launched Rimit in August 2019, and sales plus co-branded partnerships have taken off for us, including a collaboration with Mott's Tomato Caesars. Now it's time to introduce the Rimit Kit. All of our products are made with FDA-approved polypropylene. They're BPA-free, dishwasher-friendly, recyclable, but more importantly, they're reusable. We encourage all of our customers to wash and reuse our products to minimize waste. Rimit itself eliminates the need for a cup and allows you to rim up canned beverages in a fraction of the time it would take you to prepare a fully rimmed cocktail in a glass. Rimit also reduces germ consumption when drinking from a can. However, there was still one problem. Having to have two bowls on hand, one for lime juice and the other for rimmer, then having to add the lime juice and the rimmer to the bowls just to make a couple of cocktails takes time, creates dishes, and wastes product. That's why we invented the Rimit Kit. The Rimit Kit is a 2-in-1 compact, leak-proof rimmer kit. It comes with 130 grams of our co-branded Lucky's Rim Job Rimmer. All you have to do is add 1 ounce of lime juice to the lime juice compartment. The Rimit Kit can easily be transported via cooler bags, backpacks, purses, etc. It loves to be stored in the fridge to keep the lime juice fresh. We made the Rimit Kit just big enough to accommodate any standard household glass, and of course our patent pending Rimit. In today's busy world, there never seems to be enough time in a day. To us, it makes more sense to spend less time preparing cocktails and creating dishes, and spend more time enjoying your cocktails with your friends and family. So whether you're looking to enjoy a Caesar, Michelada, Margarita, Bloody Mary, at home, at the cottage, the beach, camping, golfing, or backyard get-togethers, Rimit and the Rimit Kit allows you to conveniently enjoy fully rimmed cocktails in just seconds. We've already selected our manufacturer, and our molds are currently being fabricated. We are on schedule to be in full production by the middle of August this year. Now we need your help to get our first manufacturing run off the ground. So please back this campaign so we can launch the Rimit Kit and elevate your cocktail experience.